Having looked at self-configuration and self-optimization, we come to the final part, looking at self-healing. Self-healing functions within the network try to rectify any failures that may occur during the normal operation of the network. Simple example to explain this would be to roll back to a previous software version if the nodes are not behaving as expected after the upgrade. Another example would be to reduce the output power in case the equipment is getting really hot. This could probably be because of failure in air conditioning equipment, but could also be due to some power amplifier issues or something else. As we discussed previously, self-healing is characterized by fast autonomous failure mitigation, continuous performance monitoring, faster network maintenance, more efficient resource utilization, less effort. We looked at this flowchart earlier from self-optimization point of view. Now we have added the self-healing state at the bottom. As you can see, there are two main high-level functions of self-healing. The first is to detect the failure and localize it so we know what corrective action needs to be taken over what area. The second is to apply the healing schemes to temporarily or permanently fix the failure. This flowchart provides an example of how the self-healing process works. I'm not going to go through the details here, but if you are interested, please check 3GPP Technical Specification 32.541. That can give you more details on this. This is a basic list of self-healing use cases. A network would typically have a lot more use cases. Again, the implementation of these would be vendor dependent. As mentioned earlier, from song point of view, Release 10 focused mainly on self-healing functions. The following features have been defined in Release 10: coverage and capacity optimization (CCO), minimization of drive testing (MDT), cell outage detection and compensation, energy savings, and enhanced ICIC (EICIC). We will look at each of these above features individually. For the sake of completion, here is a list of SON features in 3GPP Release 11. We won't be covering this as part of the SON series. If you are interested in studying SON in detail, we recommend this paper, which is the first reference listed here. Hopefully, with this quick summary of self-healing, you are now ready to dive into individual features that we saw earlier. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. Goodbye.